Maze.
It's amazing. Would you say that these recipes are amazing? What's up guys, it's Kat and Dev from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe and everybody's favorite time of the month. Challenge recipe.
Challenge! It's my favorite time of the month.
And you know, this is a type of recipe that we've done 2 years in a row. And both of those recipes have been amazing, so why not throw me into the mix to give you something that's not so amazing?
I mean, at least it's not like I haven't thrown a lot of baking challenges at you, which I think is a very nice thing to do.
That's true, Catherine, you're so nice. Please don't do that.
All right, Devin, so we did the corn on the cob challenge. What was your corn on the cob that you made?
I did a spicy peri-peri corn on the cob with a roasted garlic aioli drizzle.
Which sounds so good and so fancy for you.
Yeah, you know, I don't know what happened. I really wanted a roasted garlic sauce, and then I've just been eating a lot of peri-peri hot sauce because it's so good, and then I just thought, you know what, these go together, let's roll with it.
Yeah, when I saw it, I was like, wow, this is fancy. And you were like telling me all that went in it. I was like, wow. Because mine is like really simple.
I'm trying. Yours is not simple.
Like it's unique, but it's simple. Like it's literally throw the sauce ingredients in a food processor and then make the corn and that's it.
I mean, mine's pretty simple too then.
Okay, I don't know. Well, I made green curry corn on the cob. Yeah, pretty easy. It's like a coconut green curry.
So good. See, this is the other problem with the challenges. Like, we can't try each other's, we can't see each other's struggles or triumphs.
Yeah.
But before we get into these recipes, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future vegan recipes every Sunday and whatever Wednesdays every other Wednesday. And we don't have a polling feature for these challenges anymore, so you're just gonna have to tell us in the comments which recipe you're gonna make first or you're more excited about.
Yeah, we won't really know who wins because we probably won't add up the comments, but you know, let's have a discussion.
Yeah, we're all winners now.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go. Corn time.
Corn time. To make your green curry corn on the cob, first gonna start off by making a coconut curry yogurt dressing. To do that, we're going to add all of our ingredients to a mini food processor or a blender. So we're gonna combine some coconut yogurt, some green curry paste, fresh ginger, garlic, lemongrass paste, a de-seeded green chili, some fresh cilantro, fresh Thai basil, and some lime juice. Then we're just going to blend that up until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to prep our corn for the grill. We're gonna wrap those corn in some tin foil, the shiny side in, and then we're gonna add it to our preheated grill that's been on high heat for the last few minutes. Then we're going to grill it until it's nice and bright yellow inside. So take a peek every once in a while to make sure it's nice and bright yellow. Then we're going to remove the tin foil and place the corn back on the grill to just kind of get those like grill marks, char kind of in different spots on the corn as much as you want. I like a lot of that, so I leave it on there for a while. Then you just drizzle on that yogurt dressing onto your cooked corn on the cob, sprinkle with a little bit more fresh herbs like fresh cilantro and fresh Thai basil, and you're good to eat.
Okay, to make my spicy peri-peri corn on the cob with roasted garlic aioli, you're gonna start by roasting the garlic. So you're gonna take a head of garlic and cut the top off and then put it in some tin foil and drizzle it with olive oil, seal it up and roast it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 35 minutes. Once it's done, take it out and let it set and cool before you do anything with it. Then to make the aioli, you're gonna combine vegan mayo, the roasted garlic, lemon juice, and a little bit of liquid smoke, and just mix that until it's all combined and set it aside. Then you're gonna get your corn ready by husking off all the skin and little stringy things as best you can. And then you're gonna wrap it up in tin foil, and we're going to cook that on the grill at around medium heat for about 10 minutes, turning them frequently. And you wanna get them until they're bright yellow. So this is the part where we're steaming the corn. And then once it looks bright yellow, you're gonna take it out of the foil and put it right on the grill. And this is where we get those nice charred marks and cook it a little bit more. Once it's looking like it's almost done on the grill, you're gonna brush it with some of the peri-peri sauce on all sides and let it cook in the grill for a little bit longer just so that it really soaks into the corn. Once they're all done, remove them from the grill, and you're gonna drizzle them with the garlic aioli. And then I sprinkled some crispy onions that I just crushed up into small pieces. And finally, I topped it with garlic chives.
My corn's been sitting for so long.
How cold is your corn right now?
Very cold.
Mine too.
I have to also like put more sauce on it because it's kind of just like seeped into the corn.
You know what? Mine has kind of done that too. I'm sure it's fine.
So I'm just gonna put a little extra sauce on mine. All right, try our corns.
Ready?
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess.
The aioli with that kick of spice, I love it. I'm here for it. I did this.
This is so good. Like, this dressing would be good on a Buddha bowl too. It's really delicious.
And I gotta say, like, crispy onions, buy those all the time. I don't know why I don't. I crush them up, I sprinkle them on top.
Crispy onions and like crispy shallots are like the best thing ever. Oh, mine is so good. Mine's actually not very spicy, which is nice. So you can just keep eating it. I keep eating fries.
Because when I was cooking it, I was like, I really want you to be able to see the orange of the hot sauce. I was like, gotta keep putting it on. So if you're making it, you don't need to put however much you're comfortable with. You'll get the flavor. I was just like looking for the aesthetic.
You don't need to put bucket loads of sauce on it. Just enough to get that nice subtle heat.
Exactly. And for the record, I used the Nando's peri-peri sauce they did with Pascal Siakam. It was like a limited edition one, but you could use any kind of peri-peri sauce. And that's just, it's a traditional African sauce, and that's because it has the spicy African bird chili in it. Love the flavor.
There is two different peri-peri. So Devin used an African peri-peri. There's also Portuguese peri-peri. So when you're looking for peri-peri sauce, just know that to get the flavor that Devin used, she used an African peri-peri sauce.
Yep.
Should we talk about corn?
Indeed, corn.
Maize.
It's amazing. Would you say that these recipes are amazing? Have we made this joke before?
Definitely.
Okay, good.
There's no way we haven't made that joke before.
I would be disappointed if this was the first time we made that joke.
Yeah. Because we also make that joke when we're not even talking about corn, so. Which makes no sense. All right. Oh, actually, how about we try and fill the comment section with corn jokes?
Yes.
With corny jokes.
Corny jokes. Amazing. Okay, yeah, so corny jokes, and then tell us which recipe you like better, which one you're going to try first.
Yeah.
And both the recipes are in the description box below, so you can go try them. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. We talk about veganism, we talk about how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, keep you up to date on trending news topics, so go give it a listen. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are some lovely people who support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content, like they get recipes ahead of time, or if you're a TMG mukbanger, you get a mukbang once a month, just with us, super special. So if you're able to support us, we really appreciate it, but if not, give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and share it with somebody else who needs more corn in their life. Share it with somebody corny, I don't know. And that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Another recipe made without Catherine.
It's been so many videos.
So many.
I miss you.
Bye.